Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Snehal and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and beauty. So as the title suggests, today's video is going to be about my quarantine product empties. This kind of video I'm making for the first time and I'm going to share with you guys what all products I have emptied in this quarantine time. It is very rare that I empty a complete product because if my skin is very sensitive and if certain product doesn't suit me or cause me rash or irritation or something, I just stop using it immediately, and it just lies there in my wardrobe and my vanity and I don't go back to that product. So it is very rare that I empty a complete product. So today I'm going to share with you guys some skincare products, some hair care products and some makeup products that I have emptied completely during this quarantine time. So without any further ado, let's just get started with the video. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys, and don't forget to hit the like button for this video as well. And let's just get started now. So the first product that I'm going to share with you guys is this body wash. Both the body washes by Peers. You can see I have emptied both the bottles and I love these body washes. The original one is obviously very good and the pomegranate one is so good. I mean, it smells amazing. I have already mentioned in my previous video of skincare haul of Nykaa that I really love this one. Your bathroom smells like a spa when you have a bath with this one, and this is my most favorite body wash, current favorite body wash. So yeah, these two, and these are very affordable, easily available everywhere, and you can give it a try. Very nice ones. And the next one is Himalayas Clear Complexion Whitening Face Scrub. You can see it is almost over and I have also got a backup of it. So I really found it very nice. It actually gives that smooth effect to your face. If you use it like once or twice in a week, that's sufficient, and you'll have a very smooth and clear looking skin, and it actually you can actually see that difference in your skin once you use it. So highly recommend this one, and you can see I have already emptied this one. The next is this Replenishing Rich Moisturizer by Simple. I have emptied it completely. I love this moisturizer. I have already repurchased this one also because it is so good for sensitive and dry skin. It gives you that boost of hydration and moisturization instantly, and it doesn't break out your skin. It doesn't give you any acne issues. It doesn't have any fragrance. It is a simple moisturizer that you can use on daily basis or under your makeup. So this is the best deal for sensitive skin people. Highly recommend this one. Then the next product is the Garnier Wrinkle Lift Anti-Aging Cream. This is also another amazing moisturizer I love. You can see I have almost emptied. There is that much of one drop left inside. So I love this moisturizer. It is very good. It is also very light moisturizer, so it is non-greasy. It will not make your face look oily at all. Acts as a very nice base under makeup. So this is also very good moisturizer and very budget friendly, easily available everywhere. Another product by Simple I forgot to mention is their micellar cleansing wipes, which I have already finished. I threw it away also, the packet of it. So I am just showing you the new packet that I have got. So I have finished these micellar wipes also. Amazing stuff. This is really good for all the lazy people out there like me who are lazy to remove their makeup. This is going to change your makeup removing game forever. I have made a complete review video of the Simple micellar cleansing wipes, so I'll have it linked down below. You can check it out. The next product is Garnier Pure Active Purifying Neem Face Wash. I don't know how many of these tubes I have used. I mean, I have lost the count of that because I have been using this product ever since I remember I have started using face washes. So this has been my very favorite face wash since a really long time. It actually treats your acne issues also. It controls your acne, and it's a very budget friendly product again, and generally Garnier product suits me. I have tried a lot of Garnier products and really nice budget friendly face wash that I would recommend to everyone. Now moving on to hair care, I have this shampoo right here by TRESemmé. It's the Keratin Smooth Shampoo with keratin and argan oil, and it's a lower sulfate formula. I love this shampoo, guys. It smells so amazing and it gives your hair such nice and smooth texture. I mean, you can see my hair. I have got a lot of compliments on my hair from you guys, and everyone was asking me which shampoo do I use. I use only this. I always purchase this bottle, this size bottle, because I only use this shampoo, and it is so good, and I have emptied the whole bottle. So you can imagine, after using this shampoo you will definitely have a lesser frizz in your hair and you'll have a silky smooth hair. So I highly recommend this shampoo to everyone. Then next I have these two products. This I was using previously before using this shampoo because I had colored hair. So this is the Series Expert, L'Oreal Professional Series Expert, and it's a Vitamin O color range. And this is the shampoo and this is the conditioner. You can see I have emptied the whole conditioner. It is so amazing. If you have colored hair, guys, only go for this. That's it. You don't need anything else. This is going to be your savior, and you will not have any dry hair or any frizzy hair even if you have colored your hair. So definitely highly recommend this one to colored hair. So moving on to makeup now, your favorite, I know. So this is the first product that I have emptied. This is the foundation by MAC. You can see I have emptied this whole bottle, and I love this foundation. This is one of my most favorite foundations from MAC or from any brand for that matter. I like this one and the Studio Fix one also by MAC, and I'm almost about to finish the Studio Fix one also, but this one I have completely emptied, and this is a very nice foundation. Highly recommend this, a must have. The next is another product by MAC, and it is the Studio Fix Compact. You can see the halat of this. It is complete. This is my, by the way, this is my second one. Okay, this is the second one, and I have completely emptied this one. The first one also I had completely finished, and this is my most favorite, hands down my most favorite compact till date. I haven't found this kind of formulation in any of the compacts as of now till date. So this is such a nice and full coverage compact. I mean, when you don't want to do makeup, there are some days when you don't want to do makeup, just apply this compact on your face and apply some good lipstick and mascara and you'll be good to go. I always reach out to this one only. How many ever compacts I've tried, I haven't found the formulation that this compact has, so I love this one. Well, do you want to guess the next product? It's another product by, so yeah, it's another product by MAC, and it's their Studio Fix concealer, and you can see the halat of this as well. It's almost empty. I have already repurchased this one also again. I can't live without this one. This is like my savior in makeup, and it is so full coverage, and you don't need to apply any corrector before applying this concealer. It will conceal your under eyes flawlessly. I mean, this is so good. Highly recommend this one. This is my cult favorite concealer. The next product is another concealer. This one is by LA Girl. It's their Pro Conceal Concealer, and this is such an amazing product, guys. You can see it has gone all chapta. Okay, so I already have got the backup of this one. As you can see, I always like to have backup of this and the Studio Fix one. This is the backup of the Studio Fix one. I love these two concealers. I always reach out to these two concealers only, and this is a very good, nice, beginner friendly concealer you can invest in. So I highly recommend it to the beginners, and just go get it, guys. You see, I only recommend to you guys the products that I actually repurchase. So this concealer is a miracle product, guys. Seriously, I mean, it gives such a natural finish with full coverage, and it's amazing. Then the next product is a lipstick, again by MAC. You must have guessed it that MAC is my favorite makeup brand by now. So this one is called All Fired Up. It's their matte lipstick, and you can see it's completely finished. I mean, can I officially say that this is the first ever lipstick I have completely finished, completely emptied. I mean, it's not very often that you actually finish a complete lipstick. This was a full size lipstick, by the way, and I have finished it. This is an amazing color. I can swatch it for you guys. You can see it's such a beautiful color and this looks amazing on dusky skin tone. Again, highly recommend this one. And the next product is this brow pencil by Miss Claire. You can see this has become so chota. It was a full size pencil again, and it comes with a spoolie. So this is also again very nice beginner friendly eyebrow pencil. If you are a beginner and don't know which product to invest in terms of eyebrow makeup, so you can go for this one. This one pencil will do the work for you, and very nice. It comes for I guess only 150 or 175 rupees, and a very nice product for that price range. And the last product is this gel kajal by Color Bar. Again, you can see the size of this, only this much of it is left, and this is so smooth on your eyes. It is amazing. It glides easily and it gives you that black, like intense black payoff, color payoff, and I highly recommend this one to everyone who is into kohl, or you know, like I don't apply kajal much, but I like to tight line my upper lashes, lash line with this one, and it gives amazing finish. So again, highly recommend this one. Am I missing out on anything? Okay. So here we come to an end of this video, guys. I hope you liked watching this video and this video of mine helped you. Do let me know in the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, and hit the like button for this video as well. And I'm super active on Instagram, so do follow me there also. And I'm gonna end my video here, and I'm gonna see you in my next one. Bye.